Thank you, Mr. Moss. How are you doing? Pow!
I wonder if this is what Game Grumps does. Put the microphone in the middle of the room and just plays a game. Except they use actual consoles.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
Would a Xbox game be considered under the PS3?
Yeah. I don't know if I can emulate that though. No sound again.
Is the volume up on the computer?
Mm-hmm.
Now do Supreme Commander. Fight time.
Just weird that you hear the beep in the beginning and then just nothing.
How long are we fighting?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Half hour.
I would rather change the game type to like Last Man Standing or something.
Okay.
Or score, that works too. Change the score to like 10.
I don't think anybody is gonna get to 10.
You'd
Monkey.
be surprised.
Monkey would.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, 10 lives. Don't forget that. Oh, you didn't go to character setup.
Summary.
You gotta go character first one. Go with Bond. I forgot about the gangster. Wow. That random lowercase L. Oh man.
Pleeb.
And C down is the right one. Should be your right analog. Right analog, man. Right analog. It's one of those keys.
Ah. Okay.
Two buttons usually on the left, I think. Might be your D-pad.
Try the ball. Doink, 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 doink.
Don't
Doink,
give
doink,
yourself
doink,
more health.
Doink,
Yeah.
doink,
That
Oh,
would
yours,
be
Daniel.
cheating.
Doink.
Can't do anything with mine.
There is no Z-pad.
Huh. C buttons. Try setting something to it. I guess you're
Okay, click that. Click the analog. I don't know what U is.
you mean up.
Oh.
It's whatever C
Oh.
button you went for up.
I
Left.
don't. Oh, crap. Wait a
Get it
minute. Okay, go, wait. Okay, go back to left. Okay, now go
Up.
back up.
Right. Yeah. There you go.
Forgot about
Alright,
this.
Daniel. Set your guy. Unless AJ's gotta do it for you.
He has to.
Pretty
All right,
old.
old school.
Bond. James Bond.
Of course you will.
Hey, you didn't change my name.
Yeah, put his name to Navy.
Yeah. Navy 3000.
Of course, in all lowercase.
Why do you do this to me?
Can't believe they have numbers. They don't have 0 though. Oh yeah, they do. Maybe 3K. That works.
But that's not me.
Look, he's already set the monkey.
Yeah. Bleed.
A4.
You put a Q there.
I don't care.
Well, it's not
Yeah,
monkey.
monkey.
It's Mookie.
He's gotta be different. Okay, you're good now. Should be able to hit back. So you changed your back button to there you go.
Summary.
No, I don't like that stage.
But I do. It's a fun one.
How's it telling you to change? No duplicate characters allowed. What? But I'm confused. There are no duplicates!
Aren't
No, monkey was okay. It's saying you and Navy need to change. He's just like, whatever.
the round is about to begin. I can't move.
You can't?
No.
Here we go again. That's why.
Forget how to shoot.
Top
Whoa.
button. One of the top. Look at him run!
Monkey.
Did monkey kill you?
Yes.
Yeah, they killed my monkey.
Oh, that's not fair.
Monkey's gonna win this round.
Most likely. Where did that rocket launch? Where is that rocket launcher?
Oh, these
Go away. No.
Just blind kills you over and over again. I think you got it, Daniel. Nope, you got a shotgun.
No.
Please running into the wall being shot at.
No.
What are
Monkey.
you doing? Pleeb lost half his lives. Wow. Oh. Davy's in the lead.
I was saying let's work together to kill Monkey, but he's giving me an advantage. You know what,
Huge
Monkey?
advantage.
Monkey, you're my ally. Second thought, alliance over.
Walks up, puts gun away.
Huh? Oh, hey, Monkey.
Wow.
Sorry, Monkey, but the alliance just didn't work out that well.
What is going on?
Well, Monkey is upset because I broke the alliance.
He's killing everyone. That's how I remember it.
license to kill. And I'm making it worthwhile.
Is that a sniper rifle?
I have no idea.
He doesn't know anything. Oh, I see someone up there. I wonder who it could be!
Shoot agent! Oh! Kill by Pleeb.
Okay, Monkey, look, I know you're mad, but how about we form a new alliance? A new alliance that I will not break. Somewhat. So, how about it, Monkey? Or, how about this? I lead you to Pleeb. Yeah, that's a better idea. I'll just lead you to Pleeb. Come on up, Monkey. Come on. I know you wanna.
I'm just gonna frag grenade. Poor monkey.
Come on. I know you wanna. This is the only way up. Come and get me. Yup. I'm gonna get you fellas. Yup.
Bringing back bad memories. N64 all over again. Literally.
Come on. Come on. Come here. Hi there. Oh.
A nice grenade. It's so small.
Where's the hand that's holding it? It's just floating in air. Ooh, body armor. Oh, this would have been useful to know that it was there. Body armor.
Sniper is awesome as always.
This body armor is great. Yeah, I think he just wasted that. Whatever it was. Grenade, flashbang, smoke bomb. One of the two.
This is Counter-Strike. Wow.
Headshot.
Pleeb is out.
Come on, monkey. Come on. Come and get me. Monkey. Monkey.
I like how Pleeb's screen is just eliminated by monkey.
Monkey? Where are you, monkey? Oh, there you are.
Wow, all that taunting and he kills you.
I was out of ammo. Body armor, yay.
Do we really have to?
Play it out? Yeah, you might as well.
Okay. So just go find Monkey, Daniel. Just run up to him and say hi.
Monkey just ran past your screen. And shot your dead body.
Sounds like monkey.
He looks like he's still doing it.
Taking down AJ. That's like Counter-Strike physics. Counter-Strike 1.6 that is.
Hey, didn't have any spare ammo.
I don't think they drop ammo in this game.
This would do like in Half-Life and Counter-Strike. So then I can be fully equipped to kill the guy again when he comes. Well, he'll come sooner or later.
No, he probably won't.
What do you mean?
Pathfinding sucks.
He's coming.
No, he's running around my dead body.
Yeah, look at the radar. He's running away from you.
Why would he run away? I'm not a threat to him. I just fire at back whoever fires at me. See? He fired at me.
How many lives does he have?
If he did not fire at me, I would have not done that.
I think Pleeb killed him at least 3 times. Maybe.
Maybe.
Where is he?
He's above you.
Where?
See, I knew someday you would lower your standards, Daniel.
What do you mean?
Putting yourself beneath monkey like that.
I love just looking at Pleeb screen and seeing a monkey run by.
He's literally just circling my dead body.
I know he'll come back to life. And when he does,
I have
oh
to kill him
yes,
again.
when he does, oh there you are, monkey. Sorry,
Please, death
misfired.
He's behind you.
Behind you, Navy.
Went in the house.
Oh hi.
Oh.
I got 3 lives left.
Monkey's out.
I win.
Motorola. This game is brought to you by Motorola. Okay.
Round 2.
Alright. Character set. No, what? What?
What have you done?
I am not Pleeb.
It's pronounced Pleeb.
I am Touche.
Touche.
Okay. Same thing. Except we're going to the merchant.
No.
My start button doesn't work.
It's
Here's-
the you press the left analog stick in.
Click for help.
Left analog stick should work. Right
It's
in.
this stupid click for help button.
Now there's gonna be a.
Ah! Hire editors for this.
Alright, I'm monkey on radar.
I don't know how to call for the elevator anymore. Nope. No, hey, no, 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 no. Oh God, monkey, no! How do you shoot?
It's one of the top buttons.
Ow.
Oh, don't kill me, monkey. Let me reload. Thank you.
Oh, it's that one. Okay.
I killed you and monkey in one go.
I killed 7 in one go.
Yay!
Got a sniper rifle that you don't know how to use.
Now I got a sniper rifle I don't know how to use. No!
There you go.
Bad monkey, bad!
Hello, Mr. Bond. Pow!
Mr. Bond, I have a package for you. Bam!
I don't want it!
Keep your own message.
Who's firing at me? Oh, it's you. And you!
No.
You are also firing at me!
No! Bye-bye!
Monkey, why?
Do, 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 do. Hello?
I think Pleeb has left us.
He'll come back. They always come. Ah, crap. Oh, don't spawn me next to him again.
Well, if you gotta go, you gotta go. gun fire is supposed to fire faster than that one.
Ow. Monkey's killing me the most. Need a better gun, need a better gun. Ah! What? I got body armor that died instantly.
Monkey! Die, monkey! Monkey? 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 Where'd you go? I wanted to ally you.
He came after me, but I got in the elevator.
Wow. Wow.
I don't even. I know Monkey's coming for me now, though.
How do you activate the elevator?
It's one of the button things on the right side.
Buttons.
Yeah, there you go.
Elevator? Elevator! Yay!
Ah!
Monkey! He's dead now.
Oh, you killed him?
Yep.
Nice.
Monkey!
Oh, he came back for you.
You killed Monkey.
Yeah, I did it for you.
I wanted to kill him.
He's still alive. Also, look, P90.
Look
It
what
is
I have.
Counter-Strike Source all over again! Run, 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 run. Once you do that initial miss, you just run. Killed by Touche.
He's returned.
Ah! He turns around too fast.
He's got a real N64 controller.
Yes, he does.
Or he has aimbot.
That too.
He's shooting at
No,
me.
no, no, no. They don't have aimbot for the N64. He's using Game Genie.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Ah. I guess you're gonna spawn me next to Monkey.
I'll hide in here.
Nice hiding spot.
They'll never find me.
He's shooting at me.
When the time is right, I will strike. And my evil plan to rule the world, I mean save the world, will go into action.
Run, 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 go. Ah, stupid door.
What did the door ever do to you?
He didn't work right.
Well, don't call him stupid. That will hurt his feelings.
You're right. Whoa, what? What?
Wow.
Oh, this will be interesting to watch.
Well, I guess we're playing StarCraft for the N64 next time.
Well, Daniel, he has one win left after this.
Okay.
First one to 3, but it's not looking too good for us. Monkey keeps hunting us down. It wants nothing to do with Daniel.
He really is Dale's ally.
Yeah.
Yeah, in one way or another. Oh, you should have switched your weapon.
I hit the reload button by mistake. He's jumping around your body again. Mom, Mom, look what I did!
Look how you said as blood drips down the screen. You're in heaven. What was the last words you heard before you died? Oh, you got a P90. There's one shot left.
I got 30 in the chamber. Come on. You
I'm
can
so
do it.
close to kicking you out of the game, too. See, that's not fair.
Got more ammo. Turn around.
What was that?
Come on.
Come on, monkey. You can do better than that. Stop letting him beat you.
You're making him stronger. Come on. Come on. Hi there. Oh. Body armor.
Pretty sure this is sudden death now.
Well, I got a shotgun. Wow.
Oh, you're up, Pleeb.
I was the dead.
Who will win the round of good versus evil, Pleeb?
Hang on. Pleeb's evil?
Yep.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm 007. 007's the good guy.
No.
Yeah.
He broke so many laws.
Hey, he has a license to kill, so
The
that's
first
okay.
thing he does in this game is walk into a bank and punch the receptionist in the face.
He's allowed to.
Or if I play, I taser.
He's above the law.
Fine, can I help
No,
you?
no, no, wait. He is the law.
He's not a cop. He's a secret agent, man.
That's better than a cop.
Bow, 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 bow. Oh.
Bad monkey, bad, bad,
I love his dodge style.
bad.
One left, one right. One left, one right.
Stupid monkey. I think the only ones that's gonna get any points in this level will be monkey because it's a maze.
Have funny for the win. Yeah, I killed someone without doing anything.
Yeah, you've got to change your name.
Okay, Touche can win. Touche can play at that game. No? Okay. Ooh. Oh, you're a terrorist now.
AK-47. Silly monkey. Tricks are for kids.
Dano's just getting minged off.
Don't know how to reload.
Square.
Don't know what square is. You.
What? Oh, that's AJ crouching. It just seemed like a head.
Just punching you.
How are you still alive?
Oh, just when I picked up the AK-47.
Oh. You know, I'm gonna do my original plan and
He missed
hide.
you for like 10 seconds, and the second you pick up a gun, headshot. Oh, monkey's great.
Okay, I'm just gonna hide here.
Go away! Go away, please! I don't want to
Yeah,
fight.
doors are hard to get into, aren't they?
Okay, now I'll fight.
So,
Ah!
you guys have like no lives left.
I have 3.
Don't let him win.
Just have to outlast Daniel. I just have to wait here. No! Stop
Hey,
fighting me!
Monkey is on my side, remember?
Stop fighting me. I'm going to go high. No!
No, I don't want to play StarCraft.
No!
You think we're losing bad now?
It was monkey! It's monkey!
No!
Oh my gosh!
Pick up a
Okay.
gun and hide. It works for him.
No! No! No, come on! That's just messed up!
Look, you didn't go after Navy at all.
God, forget that! That's just messed up! Look at this, he's still not coming! What the heck?
He's just sitting there with an automatic gun.
What?
He doesn't.
Oh, what the
What?
He came and then he just left!
He's dead.
He's my ally.
He just walks over to you?
Jay, he didn't even shoot at him.
I've got enough of this. I'm out. Goodbye.
But doesn't he want to know who survives?
Oh, I wonder who.
Will Monkey kill me or will I kill Monkey?
You're gonna kill him because he keeps walking in front of you. It doesn't matter where you go. Look, you're in a two-way hallway. He'll still walk in front of you.
But I'm in a one-way hallway.
Oh.
Only one way in. That's why I picked
How do you
this
keep
spot.
finding these places?
I have no clue.
Is he stuck?
I think he's coming. I'm not going to go check on him though. Actually, maybe a little. Monkey? Are you okay?
Was he stuck in the hallway? Oh, there he is.
I see he has a hard time if you're crouching down.
Good to know. Would have been nice to know about 20 minutes ago. Just ran over AJ's body again.
Uh-huh. Oh, look, my trophy.
It's an interesting way to use screen look. Keep tabs on him. How many lives does he have?
Probably 7.
Oh, oh!
No, 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 no.
Oh, you're down to 2. I love how it's a Magnum with a big scope on it. For no reason. You can't even zoom in. And somehow it works.
I'm going to die, aren't I?
Probably. No. It's gonna shoot you as it hears my body. Oh. I don't know how many lives he's had. It might be sudden death. Well, there's your death. So, StarCraft next week? Is that your game of choice?
I'm thinking either between StarCraft or, if you can, try 2.0 Killer App, which is for the Xbox.
We could try it. If not, we'll play StarCraft.
Okay.
And that's about it for 33 minutes.